The following maintenance training material is designed for informational purposes only. All maintenance personnel shall refer to your local safety regulations to ensure compliance, as equipment can vary depending on location. Please refer to your site's PM procedures or consult your supervisor before attempting any PM. Welcome to Pilgrim's Weekly Cage Dump PM. In this training video, we will cover all the steps in order to complete the weekly preventative maintenance on the cage dump. Part 1. Check operation of safety devices. Verify that the hydraulic lockout will indeed prevent the machine from operating. You will also need to verify the door switch is operational by opening the operator dump access door. The alarm buzzer should sound and the safety arm at the end of the cage dump should come down, preventing anyone from loading additional cages. Then reset the safety with the reset key and the system should return to normal operating state. You will need to verify proper reporting at the override panel as well. During normal operation, all 4 lights shall be illuminated. When a safety device is triggered, the associated light with that device should turn off, indicating an issue with that device. Part 2. Lockout cage dump hydraulic. Before proceeding to Part 3, lock and tag out the cage dump hydraulic that you will be working on. This will prevent accidental injury while performing the PM on the cage dump. Part 3. Inspect Teflon dogs. Inspect all Teflon dogs and change any damaged units. After identifying a damaged Teflon dog, simply remove the one retaining bolt and remove the dog and replace it with a new unit. Reinstall the retainer bolt and move to the next. Repeat the process until all damaged units are replaced. Part 4 and 5. Grease incoming and outgoing rollers. Grease all incoming and outgoing roller bearings. There are 2 bearings per every roller. Part 6. Grease pivot pin bearings. Grease both sides of the pivot pin. There are 2 bearings on each side, so remember to grease both. Part 7. Grease idler roller bearings. Grease both incoming and outgoing idler roller bearings. The idler bearing should roll freely. Verify the rollers indeed roll with very little resistance. Part 8. Grease crossover chain bearings. Grease both crossover chains on the cage dump. Also verify that the chain has all links and that it is in good working order. Part 9. Grease jack shaft bearings. Grease jack shaft bearings, and as always verify all chains are in good working order. Part 10. Inspect all rollers. Inspect all rollers for failed welds. Verify all rollers are in good working order and connections are tight. The cage dump system receives a lot of abuse from the forklifts, so it is imperative that all nuts and bolts are tight. Part 11. Inspect in and out feed stops. Inspect end feed stops for broken welds. If any deficiencies are found, immediately take corrective measures. Part 12 to 16. Verify cage dump operation. Make sure all team members are clear before operating the in and out feed rollers for 1 minute. Once verification of feed rollers is complete, operate the crossover chain for 1 minute. Then operate the cradle up and down 5 times, and lock the cage dump back out for final inspection. Part 17. Inspect hydraulic system for leaks. After hydraulic verification, inspect the system for any leaks. If any leaks are present, make necessary repairs and notate them on the PM. This concludes this video for the weekly cage dump PM. We hope this video was informative and we look forward to the next training session. Pilgrims thanks you for your hard work and dedication to providing our customers with world-class service. Keep up the hard work and thanks again from the Pilgrims management team.